Hey there, LinkedIn pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your professional networking smoother. Today, we're tackling a topic that's essential for maintaining a positive online presence: how to block someone on LinkedIn in 2025. Whether you're dealing with persistent spammers, unwanted connections, or just someone who's crossed the line, blocking is a quick and effective way to protect your peace. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on a desktop or mobile app. The process is similar on both. Start by heading to the profile of the person you want to block. You can search for them in the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're on their profile page, look for the More button, usually represented by 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Report or Block. Go ahead and select that. LinkedIn will then prompt you to choose between reporting the person for various reasons or simply blocking them. For this tutorial, select Block and confirm your decision when asked. That's it, you've successfully blocked them. They won't be able to view your profile, message you, or see your activity anymore. Now, a quick heads up. Once you block someone, they'll be removed from your connections, and any endorsements or recommendations you've exchanged will be gone too. If you change your mind later, you can unblock them by going to your LinkedIn settings under Privacy, and then Blocked Accounts. It's that straightforward. Remember, blocking is a powerful tool, but use it wisely to keep your network professional and drama-free. Why is this important in 2025? With LinkedIn's evolving features for better privacy, like enhanced profile controls, staying on top of these basics ensures you're in control of your digital space. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep networking smart.